This is Dominic. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make a rocket today. These are the materials we need. First, the empty bottle, vinegar, baking soda, tape, 3 pencils, and 3 wings. Now I need my assistant to help me put the pencil and the wing.
Now Dominic show you how to do it. So tell me how to do it, Dominic.
First, tape the tape on the pencil and tape it on the bottle.
Right here?
Yeah.
You put it right here?
Yeah.
And then another one. Okay, perfect. And then make another tape to make it stronger.
On it.
And make it tight.
Here.
Put it right here.
Yeah.
It's good. Or right here.
Yeah, right there.
You think it's better right here or right here?
Right up there.
Right up here?
Yeah.
Can you hold that for me? This side and this side. This the first time you're making a rocket, right?
Yeah. First time.
If it works, we're gonna make a rocket head left side, right?
Yeah.
This way we don't have the rocket head, just the wing, right?
Yeah.
On the top for the rocket.
Yeah.
Rocket head.
Yeah.
Now the wing is finished. How's that look?
Good.
And then the top on the top
Yeah.
for the rocket like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like, yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. Here.
And then we lay this rocket the Space D, right?
Yeah.
Space D.
Or the NASA.
Space D. Now continue to put the tip to secure the cup, the rocket head. Okay.
Yeah.
Later on, you write the name Space D on it, okay? And make it. I think it's pretty stable right now.
And we need vinegar.
How many cups?
2 cups of vinegar.
You don't have to open right. Baking soda pack.
Now,
40 gram, right?
yeah, 40 grams of baking soda packet.
And then we need the potato as a quart, right?
Yeah, the cork.
Okay.
Put 2 cups of vinegar.
Inside the bottle.
Yeah.
This 1 cup.
Yeah. And second cup.
And then put the
Other one.
baking soda packet, right?
Yeah. Like this.
And then you put it right inside.
Yeah.
You have to put it really careful.
Yeah, so hard to make it. Ready to launch. Yeah. Let's get it off the line. Go!
it?
Now try to shake it.
Oh my god.
Let's do it. Yahoo!
1, 2, 3.
The spacey already returned to the earth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like and bye-bye.